Hey guys, I got another Althea box, but stupid me, I put most of it away already. But here is my scoop. She does scoops. She does one for 5 and one for 10, and I usually get the 10. Okay, we have a baggie. I just love these. For like makeup. We have Hello Kitty Hydronic Real Essence Mask. We have a bracelet. We have a pink little coin purse. So cute. We have earrings. Sorry about the glare. We have hoops. A necklace and earring set. Earrings. This is, I believe, a stamp ink thing. Not sure. I touched it and I did get black on my hand where I touched it, so I'm not sure what it is. It don't say. Well, it says cleaning box, so I'm not sure. A Hello Kitty keychain. Necklace and earring set. I'm only seeing one earring. Maybe I can make a necklace out of it too. Another necklace and earring set. It's all weird. An inspired bracelet. Hello Kitty little baggie. But it's not Hello Kitty. Is that Pom Pom Pudding? I'm bad with it. We have things to go on your Crocs. Another bracelet. More Croc decor. Again, more Croc decor. Now I just gotta get me some Crocs. This is to go on your phone. I may have to put that on there. If you're hearing weird noises, it's cats on the roof of this building. We have a fan. Isn't that pretty? I'm telling you guys, she has a lot of cool stuff. A little bag. More earrings. A little coin purse. Inspired. A keychain. Earrings. Little black hearts. Earrings. Inspired earrings and necklace. hand sanitizer, a bath bomb, another bracelet. I got all this for $10, guys. A set of bracelets, a headband, a sanitizer. This one's cherry. What was the other one? Grape. A little squishy thing, an octopus. So cute. Another sanitizer that's apple. Yum. A bracelet. More croc decor. When I say croc, I mean the shoes. I'm not going to go put these on a crocodile. Not sure what this is. Maybe a necklace or a bracelet. Anklet. And the last thing in my $10 scoop, another bracelet. Man, guys, that's a lot of stuff for $10. She also does 5, but I see it as if you get to 10, you get more for your buck. Alright, guys, it's Althea on Facebook. She goes live most nights, but sometimes she has to work early in the morning, so she doesn't do it. So look her up on Facebook, Althea Cox. Go check her out and tell her I sent you. Bye.